How to set up Hey Google on Android. This tutorial shows you how to enable and configure voice activation for hands-free Google Assistant access. First, open the Settings application on your Android device. Next, you'll be taken to the main settings menu with various options. Following that, scroll down and tap on Google to access Google settings. Now, tap on All Services tab at the top of the screen. Moving forward, scroll down through the list to find Settings for Google Apps. Afterwards, tap on Settings for Google Apps to expand more options. In addition to that, tap on Search, Assistant, and Voice from the list. Once you're on this page, tap on Google Assistant or Gemini to access Assistant settings. Subsequently, tap on Hey Google and Voice Match from the options. Moreover, toggle on the switch next to Hey Google to enable voice activation. Afterwards, a prompt will appear asking you to agree to the terms. Then tap on I agree or accept to continue with the setup process. Within this section, you'll be asked to train Google Assistant to recognize your voice. Alternatively, tap on Continue to begin the voice training process. Once the training starts, follow the on-screen instructions and say Hey Google multiple times. Then repeat phrases like OK Google when prompted by the assistant. Afterwards, tap on Finish to save your voice model and complete the setup. Then you can now activate Google Assistant by simply saying Hey Google from any screen. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you set up Hey Google on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.